आमची पयली मिटींग जाली ह्या मिटिंगेक 3 आयटमांचे डिस्कस जाले. एक वर्क्स which are below 5 crores and above 1 crores, works which are above 5 crores. What is the decision to be taken? And third issue is mining issue. आणि जी वर्कां above 1 crore आसा अशी 7 वर्कां we have asked for clearance and we have directed cabinet secretary to send it to CM for approval. The works which are more than 5 crores, which are 4, 7 and 4 works, which are also processed and asked to send for the final approval of the same. Third critical issue of Goa, home mine issue. And home mine issue, अभी एकूच डिसिजन घेतला की आम्ही रिव्ह्यू पिटिशन मुखार व्हरपामध्ये फुडें सरता. आतां हे रिव्ह्यू पिटिशन आमी फुडें धाडटले जाल्यार आमकां जो आमचो भारताचो एटॉर्नी जनरल आसा ताचे मार्फत आमी ताचो से घेवन मुखार वचूं किंवा त्याच्या लेवलाचो कोण तरी दुसरो एडवोकेट अशें आमचें थारावलें. आनी हाजे विशीं चड उलोवपाचें ना. दुसरी गोष्ट फाल्यां चीफ सेक्रेटरी आसा तो 3 गोश्टी लागून दिल्ली वता. ताचे बरोबर हांवूय आसा एका मिटिंगेक की एमओएसटी मॉर्गेज मिटींग whereas some of the projects which are still in the pipeline are to be approved for the Goa region. दूसरी गोष्ट आसा regarding other issues in the MOST mortgage along with National Highway Authority. आणि third जो issue आसा तो environment department legal opinion आणि mining department secretary for mining अशा हाचे कडेन वचून डिस्कस करता about this issue.
CS आपका मिनिस्टर सेक्रेटरी माइंड्स आका मेळपाक वता. इट इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू दिस रिव्यू पिटिशन इशू. दे विल
basically related to all issues, not only review petition, all issues which he finds it difficult in some of the cases as per the chief secretaries. That is another thing. That is other issue where MOST and mortgage ministers assured us, we and 3 MPs, Rajya Sabha MP and 2 MPs, that he may come any time and he will give the date to all Goa Forward, MCP and other allied people to discuss of the issue any time in these days, in these 4 to 5 days. He may come any time.
So the expected vote of transportation. So
त्याचा काम काय होईल
the legal advice.
सगळे लिगल ॲडवायझर लागूनच आम्ही सगळे
मायनिंग डिपेंडंट असतात का फायनान्शियल रिलीफ दिवपाक
ते सगळे आमी कन्सिडर करतात. बेजिकली इश्यू असो आहा की हें जें कितें जालां जे 16 तारखेच्यान गोंयाक एक संकट कशें आमी फेस करचें पडटा तें आमच्या खातीर जावं ना, वो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा खातीर जावं ना. हें जालां एक सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डरी खातीर. आतां ही ऑर्डरी खातीर इम्पॅक्ट स्ट्रेटेजीन खूब आहा. एक इम्पॅक्ट म्हळ्यार मायनिंग डिपेंडंट लोक आहा, इट इज लायवलीहूड इश्यू. दुसरो म्हळ्यार तातूंत लिगल इम्प्लिकेशन्स खूब आहा. आनी आमकां गोंयकारांचें हीत प्रोटेक्ट करप म्हणजे हें सरकाराचें कर्तव्य जाता. आनी हें कितेंच करतलो जाल्यार रिव्यू पिटिशन घालचेंच पडटा. आतां टॅक्निकली तें रिव्यू पिटिशन टॅक्स रिजर्वान येतलें आनी कितें येतलें, देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. So we are going for a very non-biased senior counsel. First choice would be the attorney general or somebody of his stature who needs to convince the Supreme Court that the application of this order cannot happen in a flash moment in this. 15th March date जी decide केली Supreme Court. ताका कितें relevance आहा? हे समजुपाक difficult. I think you all also may not be aware. Why 15th March? Why not 31st March? Why not 1 month from 8th of January, 8th of February? Why not 1 month? कांयच तातूंत कितें काय ना. Why 15th March? Nobody understands. Many things need to be clarified. Basically, we are trying to protect the interests of the sons of the soil who are involved in mining activity. And it is the backbone of our economy, and we are concerned about it. And the only way we can do it is by filing a review petition. So the Cabinet Advisory Committee is actually advising the Chief Minister to take this. It is not that we are deciding this. We are advising the Chief Minister that this should be taken, this review petition should be filed in public interest. CM कन्वे जातले तशेंच आसता तें. That is why it is an advisory committee.
Have you set a timeline of anything?
We have to do it immediately.
अनेक इश्यू आसा परत फाल्यां बंद जातलें मायनींग सगळें. मायनींग डिपेंडन्स जाता तें हेजे पयलीं एक हें दिल्लें
आणि आमी ज्यो स्किमी चालू आसल्यो डेट रिलीफ स्कीम आहा आनी खंयच्यो स्कीम आहा त्यो एक्सटेंड करच्यो म्हणून आमी एडवायज करता.
त्या शिवाय अशें करना की प्रत्येक जे आमदार त्या खात्यांतले आसात तांचे अंडर कमिटी काडपाच्यो टू असेस द लॉस टू एवरी पर्सन इन द मायनिंग एरियाज इट डिपेंडेड. That process will start.
So are you
The
anticipating?
chairman will be the mining areas chairman, the chairman is consolidated.
Also, sir, at this point of time, when, like you said, there is need for urgency, you are advising the CM. You don't know what the decision has been, whether the decision has been taken by him. It will be conveyed to you. It might lead to loss of time. Don't you think decision should be made here in such urgent cases?
It will be made here only. Whatever we have,
By evening.
whatever decision we have taken.
By evening, but today evening.
Today, all
Did
districts.
you have video conference, sir?
Yeah.
You'll have a video conference. And did you inquire about the Chief Minister's health?
Of course, he's good.
Can you tell us more?
He's good.
Any indication of when he's coming back?
No.
The mining activity director of the
चांगलं की माहिती घेतली
बहुतेक कमिटी करून ॲसेस करपाक जाय.
Assess करपाक.
कितके लोकांक उरल्या पळय
आणि नवे कितले आसा?
ते हिशोब करून मागीर कितलो व्हरपाक जाय आसता. ते स्किमी दिवपाक जाता पळय आमकां सरकार वायबल आसता.
तुम्ही जे प्रश्न उलयता ते प्रायर टू 2013 आम्ही जे आता कितें करपाक सोदता ते नवे कमिटी काडप नवो एसेसमेंट करप. कारण नवे जेन्ना मागीर परत चालू केल्यो सस्पेंडेड आशिल्ले तेन्ना लोकांनी लोन घेतलो आनी आज बँक कितें करता हें सगळ्यांक आनी त्या खातीर वी डिसायडेड टू हॅव न्यू कमिटीज टू रिजॉल्व दीस इशू. Yeah, we decided to tell bank to go. Nobody can stop the auction.
Auction is done, what to do? It's the problem of closing and starting after auction. That we are trying to address. मागीर ते ऑप्शन जावतना ते ऑर्डर करून त्या ऑप्शन
तुका ऑप्शन जाय.
Auction पहिले जायना अशें आसा.
Okay, what do you want? What do you all want? Auction?
Only
What is the option?
Huh?
What is the option of voting? You have to go by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is supreme.
notice that Supreme Court.
It's not what you want. There are various factors. Auction is good, but if you start auctioning everything, there can be a situation, a hypothetical situation. Let's take the shacks. That's also, tourism is also the backbone of our economy. Tomorrow somebody tells us we auction the shacks. and each check is being taken for 2 to 3 crores. But the Goan is completely out of the picture. So is it state policy to auction everything? And at what cost?
No, they
One has to look at all these aspects.